Well, that good for here because the last time me come over here, cause something jump off right over here, so. But I'm glad for hear everything alright still.
Everything alright over here, sir. Everything fine right here, sir.
I'm glad for know that.
Hey babe, you reach home safe? Alright, good. Oh, Destiny. Alright. So she like the place? Glad to know that. So, when you come down back? Alright. When you come, we talk. Yeah, take care. Alright.
So you travel soon?
No, I know.
So what up on your mind then? Talk to me.
What you mean with the papa man, Anna? But you know say something for my man.
Me know you too well. The only time you come braid your ear are when you travel or when you want to clear your mind. So talk to me. Me know you too well.
I just need to think about some things right now because my position at the agency change. So I will leave a go on.
Well, you have at least 4 hours to clear your head and talk to me. When you come in here the other day, you tell me I'm about 18, not past that. I go tell me say, how him get a youth.
And now, me tell you something, you see some of them youth here, I call them not a guidance. And for proof say them a man, them have to do things like these.
Me cuss him out. I cuss him right out and said to him, say, you cannot even feed yourself, much less you are going to tell me say you have baby. Why go here, man?
Anna, I'm gonna ask you a question. Like when them come in and I talk to you about them, like them personal life and them something that, like how them react, how you react to it.
Why? You show me a lot of respect, you know. You understand? Because I tell them the truth. Even though I don't want certified counselor. Yes, man, I give them sound advice.
Boy, Anna, all this sound like me need to certify you.
Certify me?
Yeah, man. As you know, a counselor in the agency.
That can happen?
Well, indirectly I work with the agency. So woman can formalize that. I mean them look like them have a level of respect for your way. That's that's good.
Why? Love that, you know, because I really love to help some of them. Because some of them, I tell you, they really need help.
You know the name Hittis and Butcher?
Well, the name them sound familiar, you know. So like some of the youth them boy around the place.
I told you to know still. And like you, them a try help the youth them over here.
Oh, one of them a fix up and studio over here?
Yeah. The one with name Butcher.
Oh, let me see a man.
Hey man, where are you? Yo, I'm there, you know, bro. I want to say contractor there, I finish up the story and I'm fam. You see, it is a good look, man. Right now, you want to see the place it is. You see, me just there and smile. So where are you? Oh, you're there on juggling. Oh. Yo, bro, you know what I say? I still have made there over the upper vicious place and numbers rolling over there with the fires, but when Miss Bissett roll in, bro, still I wonder if everything alright in that guy. It just looks spooky, you know, bro. Boy, but numbers don't want to talk straight. You see, probably tell the Kingman thing, so we have to just go and ease and hear what happens. That is it, man. So when I come out for a juggling, just come link me, bro. I was there up on the studio for you all day. My fam, let's see how it.
Join us tonight at 8 p.m. for Sunday Night Live, right here on Xpressionz JA YouTube channel.